Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. Welcome back, welcome back. Today we are making breakfast burritos. I thought I wanted one this morning, so I'm making one. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do a little, help you do a little meal planning, little meal prepping for on the go. All you busy moms, all you busy dads, grandmas, aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, you know, whatever. Anybody that's out there that is looking for something quick and easy to grab on the go in the mornings. So I just want to show you a technique that I like to use when I am doing some meal planning and I am making these for a quick on the go breakfast. They're quick, they're easy, and they're delicious. And what I really like about them is that you can, you know, make them any way that you like. You know, if there's something you don't like that I'm putting in them, don't put it in there. You can replace anything you want to replace with anything that you want to replace it with, if that makes sense. So I'm rambling on. I'm drinking my coffee. Let's get started. See my little Daisy May over there in the corner? Look at that. What we're going to do is we're going to get this pan going here. Like I said, this is a quick and easy method, technique, whatever, to get the kids, the husband, the wife, the grandmother, whoever you're trying to get out the door quickly. Today I am using some breakfast sausage. This is just the Bob Evans breakfast sausage, which is my favorite to use. This is not a sponsored video, but Bob Evans, if you'd like to sponsor me, you go right ahead. I'm also going to use some onions and green peppers. I love this mixture with the sausage. I'm going to throw some tomatoes in there. Now, I like to not cook my tomatoes in with my eggs. I like to sprinkle them on separately. Well, I will show you. I will show you. And I've got about 3 eggs here, which I have to beat. And then I got some, these are the 8-inch flour tortillas. You can make the smaller ones if you'd like the fajita ones. They're a little bit smaller. But what I like about these is they're so big that once you make the burrito and fill it just fill it full, you can actually cut these in half and perfect for 2. I mean, it's perfect for 2. Would feed 2 people a nice breakfast. So what I've got going on here is I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil in this pan. Not a whole lot. And then I'm going to just add my breakfast sausage in here. This is just a roll of sausage that I just cut. This is 1/3 of that sausage. And this would probably honestly make, with the ingredients here. Oh, there's a piece of sausage paper. You know, the wrapping. Whatever. This would probably make a good, you know, 3 burritos nicely. So if you had a roll of sausage, well, I do have a roll of sausage, but I'm just choosing to just use 1/3 of it. And, you know, a pepper, a nice small pepper, and a small onion, and a tomato. You could honestly, and maybe about 6 eggs, you could probably make a good 6 burritos. So that's going to feed your family perfectly throughout the week. So I'm just going to continue to break this up. It's still a little frozen, guys. All right, I'm going to throw in my peppers and onions. I like a lot. I don't know about you, but I like a lot. And then we're just going to stir fry these together until the peppers and onions are soft and the sausage is done. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is about the smell of sausage and peppers and onions together, but it is absolutely amazing. This is looking and smelling absolutely amazing. And what I like about this too is if you are doing low carb and you just want to leave out the tortilla, the wrap, whatever you want to call it, you can do that and just do the eggs and the sausage and peppers or spinach or whatever you're going to use with it. But you know what? They do make the low carb wraps now, and they have like 6 grams of carbs per wrap. So this is absolutely perfect. Now you can do this either one of 2 ways. You can take out your sausage and onions and then just start from scratch, do your eggs separately, but I'm just going to do mine all together. I feel you kind of lose the flavor of the, sausage and everything if you know, if you clean your pan up. And then I'm just gonna scramble these together. All right, we are done. Look at that. I tell you what, I'm not even gonna lie. I've been in and out of this with a fork multiple times. I love it, love it, love it. Try to get you angled a little bit better there. Let me tell you what I like to do. I'm gonna tell you what I like to do, because I think it's important that you know what I like to do. No, I'm just kidding. But I like to put mayonnaise on mine. Not a whole lot. I also like to put salsa on mine, but guess what? Your girl's out of salsa. Specifically the green salsa, the verde salsa. And then I just layer this in there. Or not layer, I just toss it in there. Put as much or as little as you like. However hungry you think you're gonna be. Like I said, these are perfect for kids on their way out, and you can tailor them, make them any way you want to make them. That is beautiful. Y'all know, girl likes to stuff hers full. Now, I'm not a big fan. I'm gonna put my tomatoes on there. And I didn't put my tomatoes on there. I didn't cook them with them because I don't like them cooked in there. I just like to put them on top. And I know you're saying to yourself, so what's the difference? You're going to heat it in the microwave anyway, or the oven, toaster oven, whatever. It's just a personal preference. Come on. Go with me. And then, if you want to, you can use the shredded cheese on top. I'm not a fan of that either. I know I'm kind of strange. But this is just the Kraft Deluxe cheese. This is the cheese I always buy. This is absolutely amazing. We use it for grilled cheese sandwiches, for anything. And then you just put it right on top. And it'll melt. It'll melt. Look, there's a pepper. And then what you do is you just wrap your burrito. I'm not a good burrito wrapper, so we'll see. Mayonnaise coming out the side. Look at that. I'm sure you'll do a better job. Perfect. I need to lick my fingers. That's the best part, licking your fingers. Now I'm gonna cut it in half. You know what? Let's try to go a little tighter. Come on, burrito. Like I said, I love the salsa verde on these things. Oh my gosh. You know what? That's what happens. You can't get it tight when you gotta be. You can't get it tight when you're all selfish and trying to just shove all that in there. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. I want you to look at that. I want you to look at that goodness. Now, if you're doing this as meal prep, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of the clear plastic wrap. I'm just trying to get my mayonnaise put up here. And you're gonna lay it out, your plastic wrap, and you're gonna lay it out, and you're gonna take your burrito, piece it back together, and you're just gonna wrap that burrito in the plastic wrap. There you go, the perfect breakfast burrito. And you know what? You know the old saying, somebody's mom is gonna get smacked over this. I hope you find this little video helpful for all you that are looking to do a little bit of meal prepping and some ideas for breakfast foods. If you want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comment below. I'm so willing to do meal prep videos for you guys. You know I love you so very much. You know I do. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy.